awesome boy with the Lowland production. Let me sing for ya. Bang, bang, bang. I'm sharing around the world to find the pretty one for me.
So Aria was born on 19th of July 2000. May 2017 at 3:20 a.m. It's probably been the best gift of my life. It changes your perspective on a woman when you have a girl. I want to thank all our families and friends for coming today. All the people that were behind the scenes of making the food, decorating the hall, and throughout the whole week. I know it's been a stressful week, but we're here to say thank you, and it's been a good birthday, and we hope you guys enjoyed the night. Take it away.